Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how can you send a snap from your camera roll without letting anyone know. So it's very simple. Just open your Snapchat. Now here is the option of director mode. Just tap on it. Now there is last option, import media. Tap on it. Now your camera roll is visible. You can select any photo or video from your camera roll to send, or also you can import media from memories of your Snapchat. You can also use from them. And for example, let's select anything. Let's select this. Now tap here. Now click on preview, and now this photo is selected and you can send it to anyone. Let's send it to myself. Now if somebody open this snap, then it will just open like this and nothing. You don't have to use filters to send a snap from gallery. So this is how you can send a snap from your gallery or camera roll without letting anybody know. Thank you everyone.